Hello, this is Pablo from Stack AI, and today I'm going to show you how to build a customer support chatbot for your website. Let's get to it. Okay, so I created a new project, and now I'm going to show you how we build our own customer support chatbot here at Stack AI, the one that you can see in our webpage. And for that, I'm going to drag and drop an OpenAI model. Okay, this is gonna be the LLM answering to the user's questions. I'm gonna connect the input to the LLM and then the LLM to the output. Okay, this is the very basic workflow that you can build in Stack AI. And now I'm gonna drag and drop a knowledge base. Okay, in this case, I'm gonna use an URLs plus search node. Okay, and I'm connecting the input to this knowledge base. So only the specific, chunks, specific information related to the user question is sent to the LLM. Okay. Now I'm gonna add all the different URLs that I want this knowledge base to scrape or to get the information from here. Okay. So here I have all the tabs. Let's do it. Amazing. Now we have a knowledge base with information on pricing, on Stack AI overall, on the privacy terms of service, different, information on specific components of the tool. Okay. You will see as well the option of scraping subpages, okay, or scraping with Apify, which is a better service in terms of scrapping. Those are optional, just in case you need. And now let's give some instructions to the LLM so it knows how to answer users' questions. Okay, here you will see that you have the system prompt and the prompt. The difference is very subtle, okay? But basically here in the system, you provide more instructions around behavior, use a professional tone, etc. So you describe a little bit more how it should answer. And here in the prompt, you provide more the input of the user and also the additional information the LLM needs to answer. Okay, I'm gonna copy paste here a prompt that I have already prepared. Okay, and let's go through it. So we are saying you're a customer support assistant for a company called Stack AI, a tool to build LLM applications. You are given some extra context on Stack AI taken from a few websites. Okay, this is the knowledge base we built. You speak in a friendly and professional tone, and you are brief in your answers. You try not to be repetitive. If you don't know the answer to a question or need to refer the customer to someone else, share one of the following resources. Okay, and here we list 4 different resources. The first one is a support email. The second one is the link to our Discord community. The third is a Calendly link in case they ask for a meeting. And then the link to our documentation in case they want some extra details. Okay, so now we're gonna make sure that the different inputs are well specified in the prompt. Okay, you can see here that only the input from the user is specified. I'm gonna copy paste this prompt already prepared. Okay, and here we're saying some context to answer questions in here. So URL emb0, okay, which is the ID of this node. Okay, then the message from the user coming in 0, and then the response from the LLM that's going to show up here in the output. We're going to click here in publish. Okay, so this workflow is accessible externally. We're going to click here export, which is going to bring us to this export builder. We have different ways of exporting your workflow, so chatbot form, WhatsApp, SMS, or API endpoint. Okay, let's stay in the chatbot. Here you have 4 different steps. The first one, you can specify here the name of your chatbot. You can provide a description. You can as well provide a password to share. This is not going to be our case. Inputs, you have to specify 1 input and 1 output. Okay. In style, here we have different options for the chatbot. You can select the background color, the border. You can as well add your own logo of your company. Okay, here we have Stack AI, but you can put your own. And we can specify here a welcome message as well. Let's say this one, hello. Okay, and that's it. And then in this final step, you can export it. You have different options here. It's an internal usage URL, so by clicking on it, you're gonna see this coming up. Then you have as well a code snippet that you can copy paste in your website. We'll also have access to this conversation manager. Okay, by clicking on it, you're gonna see this tab with all the different conversations of the users that are interacting with your chatbot. Now, if we go to the Stack AI webpage to check the chatbot, and we click here, we will see the default message. So, hello, ask me any questions you have about Stack AI. And if I ask, can I meet with the team? See what happens. Well, actually, the chatbot is sending us the Calendly that we specified in the workflow. So if we click here, we're gonna get redirected to this, Calendly to actually book some time with me. And that was it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video where I showed you how to build really minutes customer support chatbot with the example of our own chatbot in Stack AI. And I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.